Hi everyone, Nancy with our Treasure Home, and welcome back to the channel. I have not done a lunch video, maybe about a week. I don't know, maybe a few days. Just trying to take it easy. Ain't doing it. But I've been on a bunch of live shows and figuring out a good time for me to do a live. So it seems like Friday for us at 3 o'clock Eastern Time every Friday in a station. I will be going live and doing our live shows. So that worked out really good. If you missed it, just go back and watch the replay. She is hilarious. Oh, she has a joke for y'all. I'm not giving it away. So if you haven't seen it, go watch her. She is hilarious. We had a great time. And thank you for everybody that popped in. That was fun. And we really enjoyed it. So, maybe a dinner video. Now, I cooked everything already and stuck it in there. And you see, I'm leaning. I'm not sitting. Just, everything's tight. So, and it's been, I'll tell you, it's been a week. It's been a stressful week. So, just a lot going on. I'm going to pull out of the toaster oven what I made for dinner. So, a lot of other people that I watch and everything, they have a challenge about using things from the garden to make dinners and stuff. I did not do a garden this year, and so everything is store-bought. But Teresa at Stringfield Ridge Farm and a couple other people, Chris at Chris and Larry, you know, they had squash and zucchini, and I was like, oh, I miss having that. So I got my, on the grocery list, put some more squash down and everything. I need a squash casserole. Now mine is a little bit different, and I'm going to tell you what's in it. I had a small red onion. So it's a red onion. If you don't like onions, you can leave it out. Broccoli, and yellow squash. So then I made a roux, which was 4 tablespoons of butter with 1/4 cup of flour. Yeah, I didn't measure mine out. So I had to add a bit more flour and more than a cup of milk. But that's okay. It still turned out great. You know, just eyeball it and keep on going. I seasoned that with garlic powder, onion powder, kosher salt, and black pepper. And I will put the recipe down there. I baked it for, and then I put mozzarella cheese in there and let that all melt and everything. Then poured it over everything. Then baked it for maybe 30 to 40 minutes to make sure everything was done and everything all good. For the last 5 minutes, I took Ritz crackers. I don't have no breadcrumbs, and I just crunched them up over top to make the topping and put chives on top of that. I also have a little mini side salad of snow peas, radishes, and spinach, and some turkey bacon that I cooked because I didn't have turkey bacon for breakfast. So I made her some for lunch. So let me turn you around, and I'm going to show you what I made. Oh, it looks and smells delicious. So over here is my spinach, radishes, and snow peas, my turkey bacon. I cut that up. So some of it will go on my salad. I'm just moving it to the side. And you know, some of it can go over here. You know, that would have been a nice topping too. So all that's right there. Hear that nice crunch. Definitely pull my plate closer. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Oh, that looks so good. Awesome. Look at that. Oh. So, I will try to do a taste test. I'm talking low because she does not know I'm doing a video. And she's eating. I don't want to interrupt her eating. So I got some squash. On my nose, it says onion and the squash over here. Oh. And then the broccoli. I was going to put zucchini in there, but we only have one zucchini left until Monday or so. I'm grocery shopping, and she loves zucchini, so I'm saving that for Anastasia. Oh my goodness. Definitely, that is a winner. So, if you can't have potatoes, or you don't like potatoes, you can change up those vegetables. And, yeah. I was going to put a chicken patty, make a chicken patty, but I think I have enough right now. Looks good to me. And there we go. I put my bacon on top, my salad on the side, and dinner is so ready. Oh, look at that goodness. So if you haven't liked, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.